Hi, Katie. I did not see an information graphic, so let me show you what I'm seeing. Okay, that is not for this class. This stuff doesn't appear to be for this class. I'm going to go to portfolio. All right, so that's for interactive portfolio, right? All right, that's the first one. And then this one is not found. And then you got confused. All right. So there we got two flash pieces. If this was an HTML file, you wouldn't come up with this, probably. All right, so that's the branding piece that loops, and this is your interactive one, infographic. All right, so you spelled envelope wrong, and it's very, very simple. Like, showing how to fold an envelope is probably a little too rudimentary. And you want to show the skill of being able to make an information graphic. So that said, at the very least, you want a button to bring people through. Like I missed the first bit. It went by a little too fast. How to fold an envelope. Moisten the top of the inside flap. Fold top of envelope toward the bottom. And then what? Are you going to have a final page? At least say, voila, you've done it. All right, so that's all I really have to say about that. Otherwise, I mean, I like your color scheme. I just think you need more stuff to it.